Hello everyone. I wanted to review the most recent assignment that I posted in Google Classroom. It's called Post-Classical States, Byzantine Empire, and European Kingdoms. The goal that we are working on is that you'll be able to compare the political, economic, and cultural structures of Eastern and Western Europe. Here are some facts that go along with this indicator, and here is the work that you'll be doing. I have posted chapters for both the Byzantine Empire, or Eastern Europe, and feudal Europe and Western Europe. For political structures, when you open up the Byzantine link, you're going to look to these pages to find your important points about the political structures, and these pages to find the important points about economic structures. So all along this row, you're going to be working out of the Byzantine chapter to come up with political, economic, and social structures. It's the same down here on the bottom row. For Western Europe and the feudal kingdoms, you're going to open up this link and look to these pages that have been assigned and connected with political structures, economic structures, and cultural structures, and write down your important points for those chapters. So I wanted to also talk to you a little bit about the grading. I sent you an email just recently which had a lot of information in it. So I want to start by going to Google Classroom. And if you look at the assignments that are here, all of these assignments predate the third quarter. And here I posted the classical period summative, which was due on April 9th. This summative is going to be posted for the third quarter. It will be our one summative for the third quarter. So your third quarter grade will be based on your completion and how well you did on the two formatives, Formative 1 and Formative 2 for the classical period, as well as this summative. Moving on to the fourth quarter, the grade will be broken up into an essay score and an exam score. So these two most recent assignments that I posted, Early Islamic States and the Post-Classical States, will be part of your exam score. Here's a breakdown here. Right now, for the fourth quarter, these are the only two assignments that I have assigned so far. They fall under the exam category. I will be posting some preliminary skill-based exercises to get you working towards writing an essay for this particular quarter and for this particular unit. I also wanted to show you basically what it looks like in not Google Classroom, but in Infinite Campus. So right now, you'll see that there's an essay score and an exam score. You would have columns like this in your gradebook in Infinite Campus when I end up giving those scores. You may, if you're really paying attention, you will say, well, wait a second, you haven't assigned any essay score assignments yet. That is true. I just put it in there so you would see what it would look like. So I'm going to delete this assignment because you will have no essay assignments that are due by April 15th, but you will have those two exam assignments that will go in. When we have our next 2 to 3 week grading window for those assignments, you'll have each category in there that will be in the grading window probably from whatever, April 27th to May 10th or whatever it is. That's how it's going to go in there. And then your last scores, so you'll have several rows of either exam scores or essay scores, and then your last grade will be the essay itself that we're working towards. This quarter, we will not have a summative assessment. We will have an essay as sort of your culminating summative assessment for this particular quarter. Please email me if you have any questions.